Ay, hindi may maong agad. Gusto ko mabaliyay ko.
That's it. I don't know if we watch his vlog, but she know already what is his responsibility to our son. I can I can find work because I'm taking care of our son. So
Ay, kabay mo ko na. Hindi na ka.
even that I'm here for the volunteers. Are you sure? I even so next time if I married a guy, I'm sure that I am sure with myself that he care, he support us, not like before. I have a miserable life. Ah, it's only in the beginning, but after you get what you want, that's the guided with the girls. Yeah, so loyalty, but also always there no loyalty, but also we need financially stable so you can your daily life. uh, so are you sure, are you willing to come here in the Pitan City? What, remove your message? What you mean by why you scared? So no reason if ever you accept me as
Na,
so
nalagay ni bayad ng naluto
what
niya.
way can I accept you? I don't understand this. What will be accept to you? That's what I mean. You're willing to what? My tummy, poke my tummy. That's the part. It's so bloated. Oh my god. Oh my god.